If your mat is not sticky enough to hold like a piece of cardstock on it, and you want to re-stick it, sometimes what I will do is just spray the back of my paper, and that works. But if you want to re-stick your entire mat, go ahead and you can use the temporary spray glue, not the permanent, because the permanent is going to just be too strong. Just use temporary spray glue. And what you want to do first is just put tape, masking tape that I used. You can use any sort of tape that is going to easily come off your mat. Line it up with your line that's down here. I missed a spot. And just tape all 4 edges. And if it's a nice time of the year, you should probably go outside to spray, but I'm doing this inside, so I'm using a box. And you want to put on probably 2 or 3 coats. It depends on your spray. Sometimes the spray is sticky enough that you only need maybe 2 times. This is just 1 time, and I'm going to go with that for now. I have some light projects. Then remove your masking tape, and you should be ready to go. And just so you know, you're putting masking tape on the edges because when this goes into the Cricut, the rollers are going to go on the edges, and you need your edges to be non-sticky. So just remember that. Works perfect.